Hello everyone, I'm Amber Jedlicka, Director of Health Services, and I am recording this video on Thursday, May 15th for your viewing pleasure by Friday, May 16th, 2025. Health update for residents and staff. I'll start off with our health update for residents and staff. We currently have no new reported cases of COVID, RSV, or flu among any residents or staff in any levels. Thank you all for your continued cooperation in keeping our community safe and healthy and following the important guidelines such as staying home if you're not feeling well, wearing a mask if you're not feeling well, and ordering room trays to avoid the dining room areas when you're ill. These efforts have been instrumental in keeping our cases and our numbers down. Health Center Census Update. Our census currently in the Health Center is 55 out of 58. So as of right now, we do have a semi-private male bed available, a semi-private female area available, and one private room in our SSU, which is our short stay unit. We do anticipate that a few individuals will soon be rehabbing and transitioning home, so this will also free up a few additional spaces. I want to take a moment to acknowledge the team for the amazing work that they've done over the past year and continue to do each day while navigating transitions across all levels of care. It truly takes a dedicated team with strong communication, and those are qualities that I have seen demonstrated time and time again throughout this organization. The team's commitment truly does not go unnoticed. 1201 House Update. So each week in our recent videos, we've been sharing updates on the progress for posting positions for the 1201 House. This week is not exception. So we are excited to report that a major milestone has been reached. Nearly 28 interviews were conducted and led by Taylor Wheeler, who's our Assistant Director of Dining Services and has been named as the guide for 1201, with the support of Sarah Rollman, Director of Nursing, and Steve Rowe sat in on, I believe, 4 of the interviews, our CEO, Steve Rowe. And a huge thank you to the HR team, Andrew and Chrissy, for the startup work that they have done. This has all been accomplished over the past 3 weeks. The great news is that nearly all care partner roles have been filled, with orientation for some of these new hires starting as early as tomorrow. That said, we are still very much in need of nurses. So if you have any connections, if you know a great nurse who might be interested in working in or on our campus, which is a dynamic, innovative environment, please send them our way. On another front, a small committee, including the 3 social workers, have been diligently working through a priority list and initiating conversations with families who have expressed interest in the 1201 House. Just a reminder that one of the important criteria that we're considering is how the travel between the main campus and across the busy Benton Street can be a barrier. As a result, we are prioritizing residents who will benefit from remaining in a consistent, stable environment. If you have questions, feel free to reach out to me, to one of our social workers, to Taylor Wheeler or Sarah Rollman, who are all a part of this conversation with 1201. I'm going to wrap up today's video with a quick and exciting update on our compost efforts. It's been a big success. So here in the main campus, we have composted over 4,000 pounds, and on the East Campus, where this whole movement started, they have added another 1,500 pounds to the pile. That brings our grand total of 5,500 pounds of compost between the 2 campuses. That's a lot of banana peel. Just a reminder to the folks on the main campus that compost bins are located in the basement of Spring Street, which they are collected 3 times a week, and on the first floor in the studio, which are collected twice a week. So I do have a tip for you. Please remember to securely tie your compost bags. Unless if you're into having a fruit fly party, which please remember my office is close to one of those locations. But thank you for doing your part in keeping the compost coming. Thank you all, and I will be seeing you in 3 weeks for my next update.